On this week's Inventory Spotlight, we take a look at this 2019 White Hawk 31BH by Jayco. Gather the family and head out to your favorite campground with this sporty and fun travel trailer. Set up the convenient outside kitchen area for snacks and meal prep. Or step inside, and you will find an extremely functional indoor kitchen with plenty of exceptional features. The combined living and kitchen area really opens up with a large slide out, and is an inviting space for your family and guests to relax and entertain. There is a corner-mounted stainless double sink, 3-burner range with vent and microwave above. And just to the right is the refrigerator with top-door freezer and a large pantry storage closet, with enough holding power for those extended, week-long getaways. All the way to the rear of this model is a private bunkhouse with convertible sofa and fold-down bunk on the slide-out, and additional overhead bunk with storage and TV cabinet below. After everyone is well rested, gather in the main area before heading out, where it's easy to enjoy a quick snack, meal, or even play a quick game at the booth dinette, which can be converted into additional sleeping space if needed, or relax on the theater recliners in front of the fireplace and entertainment center. Head towards the front and find the bathroom on the right. There are multiple storage cabinets, hangers, a countertop sink, and a spacious corner radiused shower with curved glass door and skylight. In the private front bedroom is a queen bed with 2 mirrored wardrobes on the sides, and a convenient second exterior door. Soar to all your adventurous destinations in ease and comfort, with this Jayco White Hawk hitched behind you. We have hundreds of quality pre-owned, recreational vehicles in stock. Come see this, and a whole lot more, at RV Depot.